Hi everybody, this is Sannie from Sannie Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've got a kit that I would love to share with you, and it is called Enjoy Your Travels. It is a traveler's notebook size kit. It is printed here on A4 cardboard, but the actual size when cut out fully is 8.5 by 8.5. So for the non-US, the letter, the A4 size, people that use A4 size like me, how I printed it was, even though it was designed 8.5 by 8.5, I used borderless, and I unchecked the fit to frame. Okay, and I was able to get that thing. If even though the paper is 8.25, okay, if I printed, I basically got nearly the same print, if you know what I mean. So it wasn't a lot of difference. In fact, when I printed it that way, I actually got two lines, white lines on either side over here. So I know that it is going to work. Okay. This kit is at 25% off at both my Ko-fi stores and my Etsy stores, and I'll leave the link below. The difference between the Ko-fi compared to the Etsy is that on the Ko-fi you get the JPEG version and the PDF. So depending on what you like to use, and if you find that it would benefit you if you have both the versions, then you can hop up over to my Ko-fi store. Okay. So it is a 24-page kit. It is made up of and when you fold it, then you are going to get a 4.5. So let me just quickly come back to you. Oopsie doopsie. So this was my test, and it's a little bit rough now because I've been playing around with it. So that's how it looks when it's folded. That's why I said when I printed it with a different setting, I got the white edges over there, which I didn't cut out properly. So for those that are obviously like in South Africa and in Europe and the UK, I think you use metric measurements. So I'm in South Africa and it works perfectly. Okay. So that's how it looks when it's folded. That is what's it, 4.25 inches when folded. Okay. As I mentioned, it's 24 pages, so it's got 8 main pages, it's got 2 collage pages, it's got 9 ephemera pages, and it's got 5 background pages. Okay, so I'm going to show you the main pages first. All right. So it's a little bit on the grungy side, but I tried to keep it a little bit clean as well. So that's page 1, page 2, 3, I love the balloon, 4, I kind of designed this for the center. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and this is a lined page, and 8, also a lined page. Okay, so those pages over there, the whole kit is travel themed because when it was requested for a traveler's journal in travel theme. Okay, so that is the reason why this journal is travel themed, apart from it being the TN size as well. So this is one of the background pages with all the compasses, like vintage compasses in it. And then there's like a vintage map with your passports, background, depending how you want to use it. I will probably even use it as main pages as well, depending. Okay, that's also a background, but when I mean background, it can be used as the main page or the background, or I make ephemera out of it and stuff like that. Okay, so that's 3. Then this is 4. Okay, and then this is the 5th one with a whole lot of tickets in it and stuff like that. Okay, so that's that. And then, you know, I'm famous for my collage ones. So there's the collage one here. Okay, and then there's another collage one here. It's the same one, but it doesn't have images on it, because then this can be used across any of your kits, if they have the same color theme, or if any other projects as well. Okay, so that's that. Then obviously our images are scaled down and to fit into a traveler's notebook. So I took some existing templates and I scaled them down. But the next time I do something, I'm going to put images right till the end, but making sure that they will fit into a traveler's journal. This was just to make sure that we got the size right. Okay, so that's one. This is the second one here. There's your belly band. Kept your belly band quite neutral over here, because I thought maybe you'd want to put some fussy cuts on it. And tickets, so it's not the usual format of my how I do things. It's because I wanted to keep the scale right, because it's the very first time I'm designing it, and I wanted to make sure that everything's going to fit in properly. So sometimes you'll find tickets here, and then you'll find 2 more tickets somewhere else or whatever. Right, so here is your file folder and a nice thin tall tag over there. The tall tags over here as well. And then some nice big labels over here, okay, that are travel themed. Your pockets here, okay. And I thought the clocks will do well here. Your labels over here. So everything is here, just on different pages. So there's the other 2 tickets, more of the labels here, different types of tags here. These ones that I like to put on my, you know, like a tux or something like that. There's your journaling cards over here. There's 2 over there, and you'll find more. Our pockets that I like to make, there's some, and there's more tickets over here as well. I just wanted to add you know, as much space as possible. And there's your other 2 journaling cards over there, and your other 2 over here. So that's 9 pages that you have going there. So that's basically it, and I do hope that you like it. I know that it is getting quite a good response on Facebook, and I know it's getting quite a good response on Etsy. Okay, so I thank you all for your support. I really appreciate it. It really helps me to continue crafting. So I hope that you are, you know, going to love this paper pack, and I hope that you are going to use it and make it, and it is going to record some fantastic memories for you. So that's it from me, Sannie at Sannie Creates. I'll see you in my next video, but in the meantime, do have a blessed week ahead. Bye bye.